it should look like that.
Alright, you're gonna go ahead and put it in the hole, hold it tight, fill her up. Oh, not that much. And once you get to your desired size, you stop it, you pull out, key, and you don't want to have them out. It's a perfect thing to do. Cannot wait for you guys to see what this looks like when they come out of the freezer. Gorgeous. Alright, once your balloons are ready, you're gonna go ahead and stick them inside your freezer. You're gonna wait till all of them are frozen. And then you're gonna take them out and we're gonna do the big reveal. It's time. We're gonna cut the balloons open. They're frozen. And we're just gonna cut a slit. Let's see. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, I feel like I'm just like, looks like an egg, doesn't it? So I just have some regular ice. Yuck. Like this just looks so plain and ugly. It's giving like tailgate party. It's giving like bar, like dirty bar. But we're going to upgrade it. So I have some just like regular champagne or wine. Oh yeah, champagne I think. And I mean, it's just boring, right? So here I have some fairy lights. These are like kind of fuchsia, purpley, pinky. And we're gonna go ahead and put these around our drinks and around our ice. I kind of want it more like dug up into the ice. The flower ice balls on top.
There we go.
Okay. Alright, so I have my beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. This is already upgrading our boring ice, right?
Right.
It already looks so much better. This is giving pretty, fun, classy. Even if you're like, even if it doesn't come out perfect, like mine aren't perfect, but it still just makes it look so much prettier. It gives it some color. This looks better than like boring old ice.
It looks so elegant.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.
Look at how pretty that looks. And it was so easy too. Let's lay this one that way. How about that?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Alright, so let's go ahead and turn the lights off and see what this looks like. Ooh,
Look at
so
that.
pretty. I like it. It
Wow.
looked like this went from like beautiful, elegant brunch party to like alien party. It looks really nice. I think the lights really make this pop so much better. So not only do you have to use this during the day, now you can use it during the night too. I think this is good for like weddings too.
This is amazing.
It's really cool.
I know, I love it.